So what are the benefits of using peppermint essential oil in your diffuser? Well, in this video, I'll be sharing with you the top 3 benefits of diffusing peppermint essential oil coming up. Hey, what's up? Melinda here as the Oil Coach, bringing tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. And hey, at any time during the video, feel free to check out show notes and links in the description below where I will share some additional helpful resources. Now let's jump into the video. So the first benefit of diffusing peppermint essential oil is to help improve concentration. So when you're needing to focus on a task, diffusing peppermint essential oil will help you to do just that. So the second benefit of diffusing peppermint essential oil is to give you a great pick-me-up. So when you're feeling fatigued or low on energy, this is the oil to diffuse. So the third benefit of diffusing peppermint oil is to help with healthy respiratory function. So whether you're dealing with seasonal allergies or the occasional congestion, diffusing peppermint oil will help to give you great clear airways and happy breathing. Alright, I hope you got great value out of this video and that you will enjoy the awesome benefits of diffusing peppermint essential oil. If you don't have a diffuser of your own yet, I'll post a link to some of my favorite diffusers in the description below. And actually, if you're brand new to essential oils and would like to try out one of my favorite oils to diffuse, go to theoilcoach.net or check out the link in the description below where you can get one of my favorite essential oils for free. All you have to pay is the small shipping and handling fee, and I'll get that sent right out to you. So question of the day, what is your favorite benefit of diffusing peppermint essential oil? Let me know in the comment section below. So thanks for checking out this video. Subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't yet. And if you want to check out other videos in my peppermint tip series, just click or tap the screen right there. For another video from the Oil Coach, just click or tap the screen right there. Until next time, here at the Oil Coach, we're bringing you the best tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. Take care, and we will talk soon.